going on? This is the first day I'm out of jail. Wood County. I don't know how to make this bigger. There we go. Why'd it go bigger and then go smaller? Here's my paperwork. I'm getting ready to go over to work now. So here's my paperwork. I went in under the warrant from Arizona, but they had me in a smock in a room full of shit on a 72-hour watch. On top of getting out and having to jump out of my sister's car because she's the one that was screaming at me. And the reason why the cops got called in the first place. It's fucked up. And then she told them that I'm suicidal and that she doesn't want me in her house. But yet cusses at me and I end up having to jump out of her vehicle. She decides she wants to come pick me up from jail. And I end up jumping out of her car while it's moving. Because she decides she wants to cuss at me some more. This is an update in my situation. I just woke up. I have to go and try it. I came over here to a buddy's house, my buddy Lance, last night. He let me crash. I luckily don't have any warrants. Good morning, buddy. I just overslept, so I was just about to take off to go to work. I was just catching up on my YouTube. I was saying how my good buddy let me crash on his couch last night, and I just kind of overslept. And he gave me some really good dabs last night. I was feeling phenomenal. I had a very good meal after. Let me close this off.